A good, healthy diet is bound to have salads and all essential greens if you're aiming for maximum recovery. Therefore, it's best to know how to make an excellent, yummy salad that won't bore you off even after eating regularly. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we will be bringing you some essential salad recipes and teaching you how to make the perfect healthy salad. For your convenience, please check out the links down in the description to find some useful items for your salad making. Without further ado, let's jump right in. It's really not that difficult to make a salad. We'd be lying if we told you otherwise. However, we can't help but point out some of the awkward ways it can go wrong. It's worth a brush up now and again. But just because it's easy doesn't mean you're knocking it out of the park. It's not enough to make a decent salad. We want you to make the best damn salad of your life, every time. That's why we came up with this foolproof formula for composing the perfect salad. Learn the basics and riff endlessly. Here's what every salad needs. Vegetables. Can be greens, raw, grilled, roasted, or pickled. Dressing, a vinaigrette or creamy. Crunchies. Seeds, nuts, croutons, granola. You can have proteins as optional too, like meat, cheese, and more cheese. Optional extras like herbs, fruits, and grains are also fine. So, let's get into our first sample recipe. Here's how to make a tomato, olive, and mozzarella salad. First, get yourself 2 plump, medium-sized tomatoes. Slice them up into neat horizontal chunks, and let them rest in a bowl while you involve yourself in the next step. Now, you'll be needing a medium red onion, but only 1/4 of it. Cut it into fine strips and sprinkle over the tomatoes resting in the bowl. Take 1/4 cup of parsley, cut into really tiny bits, and then add to the bowl. Next, throw in 2 ounces of powdered mozzarella cheese. Throw in 2 tablespoons of black olive cut into tiny circles. Now is the time to get another bowl. Now take chopped garlic cloves and put them in this bowl. Pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil and white vinegar. Add 1/4 tablespoon of mustard. Add salt and black pepper to your tastes. Add this mixture to the original bowl and mix vigorously. And serve! There you have it. Your tomato, olive, and mozzarella salad is ready. Be sure to look at the nutrition facts. This salad is for all avocado lovers. Presenting you Avocado Chickpea Salad. Here's how to make it. Take 9 cherry tomatoes and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Throw them in a bowl. Cut 1 tablespoon of cilantro into very fine pieces. Throw these into the bowl as well. Now comes avocado. Take a 1/2 cup neatly cut avocado and place them in the bowl. Now comes the co-star of the dish, chickpeas. We need 1/4 of a cup of those. Then add 1 tablespoon of green onion and 1 ounce of feta cheese to the mix to give it some weight. Squirt some lemon juice from freshly cut lemons. To give it more flavor, add salt and black pepper to your tastes, and voila! The avocado chickpea salad is done. Bon appetit! Who likes beans? Well, we do, and they go just perfectly in salad. Presenting you the healthy avocado and black bean salad. To begin, get yourself 1/4 of a red onion and throw them into the bowl. Next, chop up some 5 cherry tomatoes into halves and place them in the bowl. Now comes 1 tablespoon of freshly cut parsley and 1/4 of a cup of bell pepper. Cut the bell pepper into cubes for aesthetic appeal. Now take 1/2 cup of cut avocado and throw them in the bowl. Time for the star of the dish, 1/4 of black beans straight from the can. Now prepare additives in another bowl. Begin by adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 of a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, spray some black pepper and salt to your tastes, and then mix like crazy. Add this paste to your original bowl of veggies, and there you go! 1 bowl of avocado and black bean salad is ready to be devoured. You've seen black beans, now be ready for green beans. This is the recipe for green bean salad. Begin by adding 3 ounces of green beans into boiling water and add some salt. The beans will gain a pale yellow-green color after being boiled. Make sure to notice that. Now get 7 cherry tomatoes and cut them in halves. Put them over the boiled green beans in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of cut red onion and 1/4 of a cup of black beans. Add 1 ounce of feta cheese for added weight. To diversify, 1/4 of a cup of slivered almonds. Cut them in halves for added appeal. And now, it's time for the sauce. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 garlic clove, 1/4 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar with black pepper, all together in a separate bowl. Pour the mix into the original bowl and mix it. That's all. That is how you make a salad. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. As always, take care and goodbye.